My name is Lin. This is my wife Juan, and we come from China, and we took education here in America. And after that, we graduated, and we are working right now. And life is going good.
Yeah. And we are Allen Edwin Home owners.
So why we choose Allen Edwin? It's a very good question actually. There are a lot of builders around here, and at the far beginning we were thinking to go to choose another builder to build a house. But Allen Edwin, they did a very good job on scheduling. For example, I mean this new community, and they only spent a couple of years and built a lot of good houses over here, and they put everything into the schedule. Everything is scheduled, solid, and carry on. So it's really give us a very good time when we can move in, so we can plan our personal schedules. So I really like that. And also the Tom is our favorite friend, and he did a good job to help us to understand the whole process, what's going on first and what's going on second. And he is so flexible, open on Saturday, even Sunday. If we have some questions, we can meet together. So I really appreciate their help.
Yeah.
First part is kind of introduction, how many models you have, how many elevations you have, and what is the material. And it's just sometimes it's really overwhelming because there are too many. But I believe Allen Edwin team, they did a very good job to show us the details. If you choose this one, what are the other things you can have, and if you choose that material, what are the other things you need to be careful about. So we learn a lot, and it's a lot of fun, and I really appreciate your time and effort.
Yep.
Option is going great because they have so many colors. For example, the floor, the carpets, and also the wall, colors. That's a lot. And at the far beginning, we are having a hard time to pick A or B, right? So we have to put this thing together. And the lady in the room, she did a very good job, show us the details, and we compare, and then we can see how things combine together. And I really like it. This is my very good experience.
Yeah, and also she would give us lots of good suggestions when we choose this material, and there's really come out really good, excellent combinations.
Oh yeah, I like that.